My name is Molly Basak-Smith. I am a registered dietitian with UConn Extension, and today we're going to learn how to make overnight oats. Overnight oats are very easy to make. As you'll see, it'll take me about 5 minutes to put it together. Very few ingredients. You can make one, or you can make this recipe for a dozen people. You just multiply the recipe out. We start out with rolled oats. I put it in a mason jar that I've washed before I put it in, if it's new. And I'm using vanilla yogurt. You can use plain yogurt. You can use milk. You can use coconut milk. You can use almond milk. I'm using vanilla yogurt because I like the taste of it, and then I don't have to add a sweetener to it. And you can add some water if you like it more smoother. If you like it thicker, you can keep it the way it is. If you do like it smoother, just add a 1/4 cup of water. It's 1/4 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of yogurt, and either water, milk, coconut milk, almond milk, if you like it smoother. Then you put the top on, put it in the refrigerator, and keep it overnight, at least 8 hours. Next, when you wake up in the morning, you take the lid off. I'm going to add some strawberries and some blueberries and some raisins in mine. You can add granola, you can add mango, you can add pineapple, any fruit you like. And here you go. You have your overnight oats ready to go. You can take it with you. You can heat it up in the microwave. You can add it to the dessert at night instead of breakfast. Very easy. Overnight oats. Here you are.